In this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Slides autoplay. So the first step is to finish your Google Slides. Once you have finished your presentation, then you can go to File, and once you are there you will go to Share, and there you will find Publish to Web. This is also the most easiest way, so I will share this method, and once you click on Publish to Web, then you will see this overview. Now here you can select how many seconds there are between the slides. So like if you select the 5 seconds, the next slide will slide in after 5 seconds. So select that one for now, and you can also auto start the presentation, the slideshow, if you would like to. So we will do that also. And once you are finished, then you can basically copy this link by pressing Ctrl+C or a right mouse button click and then click on copy, and then we will open a new tab to paste the URL in it. And as you can see, if we open now the presentation, it will start automatically playing after 5 seconds. And that is how you make a Google Slides autoplay. Thank you for watching.